What's going on, everybody? Here we are, another beautiful day, beautiful park over here. And what I'm gonna do is actually, there's a trail that goes in, and to the left I'm gonna do some active track and see how it works in some tighter spots. And that's it. We're gonna start from the outside and then go in to the under the trees. So I'm leaving everything on auto exposure because it's gonna fluctuate too much. So let's go. So right now I'm just waiting for the satellites to connect. I've only got 10. This is a thing, just remember before you take off that the home point has been updated, check your surroundings, and the GPS has connected to at least 12 or more satellites. And we now have 12 satellites. Let's go. So I set the altitude to 5 meters. And I'm 19 meters away. And now the other bad thing too is, remember, it does not have side. Whew, look how close it came to that branch. Jeez. Let's see what happens here. All right, well, here goes nothing because this stretch is pretty bad. It doesn't have any sensors above it, only below, to the front and to the back. Oh, look how low it went there. And that branch is hanging pretty low with no leaves on it. Oh. I'm giving it like little room for error. I'm being raised. Oh, this is tough. I'm worried here. Look at that. I'm not doing anything on the controller. It lowered to go around there. That was cool. Why does it say 7 meters even though it keeps going lower? That's strange. It says 7 meters height, but it's actually gone lower from when we took off. Unless it's using that as the ground point. So we are going higher from where it took off. Oh, look at this. Let's give this a try. All right, so Rita is going to walk through there, and I'm actually going to set the drone to follow her now, and I'm gonna stay behind her with the camera so we can watch. Okay, so we're gonna active track on Margarita. All right, so this is how I was saying to do the trace. Basically, you've got your subject, take your finger, trace over the subject. Then on the left, you're gonna see the eye, and you're gonna see, it looks like the box with the dots in there. And I wanna trace, and then I'm gonna say go. The camera gimbal will constantly move. So if Margarita goes to her right, see how the camera gimbal moves? To the left, to the left, to the right, to the right. One step forward, 2 steps back. And now go. All right. Wow, this is scary. There's a low branch right there. You just keep walking, okay? And I didn't realize too, is I'm pretty close to the drone. Oh, wanted to go really high. No, it's lost her. No, I don't trust it. We're stopping, we're boarding, it wants to go up. Abort, abort, abort. Look at that, it see that? But it wanted to go up and it doesn't have sensors above. You see, it keeps wanting to go here. It doesn't want to go. It sees that it's too bad. Everything is just yellow in here. Well, that failed through here, but again, I think if it had sensors on the top and the sides, like the Mavic Pro 2, I would probably let it go, but I can see that it doesn't want to. Let me show you. See all the branches around here? Hopefully this is coming up. So I think it's pretty smart that it sees that. All right, we're in another area of this park. The path is about 5 to 6 feet in length, but it's kind of a crescent area because all the brushes, all the trees, the leaves, the branches, all around us, surrounding us. So basically I'm gonna trace myself.
Take off.
And also there's a spot in this path that just goes to the right. We're gonna take that turn and see how it still captures us. Gonna now we trace ourselves. Go trace and then go, and we're locked on now. Now this is nice because, you know, Marguerite and I can just hold hands and walk and hope for some nice, beautiful shots. Well, we got her in the video, so of course it's gonna be beautiful. But now I'm gonna cut in front of her. Did the drone lose me? Yeah, it lost me. Now if I walk back into the frame, okay, so it does not get me back again. Trace myself again. So there's branches right above it. And let's see. Still got me locked on. How's the drone doing behind us? Now it's gonna be tricky here. So I walked around. It's still locked on to me. Now Margarita kind of walked in front of me again, but it did not lose me. I guess she walked by pretty fast. So I guess if you're fast enough, it won't lose the subject because it can catch back on. See, like that. But if I walk in front of her and slow, now it's making me a liar because it's still locked on to me. Oh, look at that. All right, well, that's it. Hope you liked this quick video tutorial and the obstacle avoidance.
And if I'm gonna be... Is it still locked?
All the glasses are dirty, can't see anything. Yeah, it still got me because I'm not moving. All right, so we'll catch you in the next one.